Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to see how we can implement vertical list in our Flutter application. So here I have one single card. Let's remove this and add list view. Inside list view widget we have to pass children's or list of widgets. So I am adding build card multiple times here. As you can see, we have simple vertical list view. We can add separator here. Let's add height inside size box and use this function for adding separation between two items of list view. As you can see, we have separated vertical list. Also we can use list view builder for dynamic list view dot builder. Inside builder we have to pass item count. I am passing 10. Let's remove this children and we have to use item builder. Item builder accepts two parameters, context and index, and we have to return widget which we want to show inside our list view. Here our widget is build card and let's pass index. As you can see, we have dynamically generated vertical list view. We can also use list view dot separated for creating list view with separator. Let's pass separator builder same as item builder with two parameters, context and index. Return our separator widget. Now you can see we have vertical list view with separator. That's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.